Hey everybody, it's Tanya at Hummingbird Paintery, and today we're going to make a garbage can for my car out of this detergent container. Sorry if it sounds kind of echoey in here. I hardly have anything left in here. It's all kind of packed up and everything. And I don't have the thing behind me, so now you're seeing the pink wall. And I still have to fix some different things. So anyway, I'm trying to do this. Hey, Miss Pat, how are you doing? It's so good to see you today. I had this, and I really need to take some alcohol and get some of these little paint pieces off of here, but this will do just for now. Y'all can't really see, but there are some little paint things on here. I didn't have an alcohol wipe because I've already put everything up. I tried to use a baby wipe and it doesn't come off with that, so I'm going to have to use it. I don't even know what I've got here that I can use to get this clean, but I thought the green would be okay because I want to put some flowers on it, so the green in the flowers, you know, the little leaves and all of that. I have been a busy lady. I'm still not finished because I was talking to my ex-husband on the phone, and then you know, just getting some packing done this morning. Yeah, it's looking naked, isn't it? Are you packing like... Yes, I'm packing like crazy. My ex-husband will come up here on the 12th, and we're going to drive down the 13th or the 14th. I don't know. So I'm getting ready for all of that. Most everything is up. I still have some ribbon over there on the door that I've got to get down. Hey, Miss Gina. Hey Linda, how are you doing? I'm moving to Cuero, Texas, where my grandbabies live. So it's in South Central Texas. Hey Michelle, how are you doing? Thank you for the hearts. I appreciate it. So I ran across this, and I've been keeping this for a long time. I did have a small one. It was about this tall. And I wanted this one for a garbage can in the car. Hey, Miss Ellen, so good to see you. Now, I went ahead and I put Slick Stick on here while I was talking to people on the telephone. Hey, Miss Vicky. I ended up getting some on my pants. You're in Corpus Christi? Hey. Hey, Miss Sharon. It's good to see you. Yeah, Corpus Christi, I don't know how far that is. I don't think it's quite 100 miles from Cuero, but it's not too far from there, for sure. So I painted around the edge with the Slick Stick, and I painted this, and I did 2 coats of it, but if you look really close, you can see Cascade on there. But hopefully when I get this coat on here and do a couple of coats of this Waverly plaster, then it should cover it up. Let's just hope so, but it is in the car, so it really doesn't matter. I've got a paintbrush here. I still have some of my things out on the desk because I'm gonna try to come on tomorrow as well and do something, do a little bitty something, just to be able to keep my page going. I appreciate everybody for going back and looking at videos. I did post one every day. So hopefully you'll, you know, the ones that I thought were really cute or whatever. Thank you for watching that. And when I post something, thank you for engaging on the page and everything, because it helps my page while I'm not on here as much as I usually am. So I'm going to go ahead and do this plaster. And I just kept this. You can cover this up as well. Thank you for the hearts. If you want to paint it, but I just didn't. You know, this is the way it lifts up, so this is the way you'd put your garbage can in here. I say the garbage can, but you know, the little like Walmart sacks or whatever that you can put on in here, and then put this on top of it. It's so good to see everybody. Thank you so much. It was good when Marie was here too, doing our little live. It was fun. So anyway, I've got to clean the top with alcohol or something to get all of this off of here, because it's been sitting here for a long time. So I'm just going to take this and we're going to do the top part first. and then we will do the bottom part. So how are y'all today? Did you do anything fun today? I know we got one more day before the weekend. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. It was really fun. I hated that I couldn't do as much with her while she was here because I needed to pack and everything. We did go to Kentucky, like y'all know, on last week. We went Thursday. We were supposed to meet Miss Dina, and they could not come. And I was disappointed by that. Hey, you're exhausted? Oh, goodness. Me too, girl. I'm with you. I'm exhausted too. For different reason though, I guess. And I still haven't packed for my trip yet, so I've got to do that tonight or tomorrow. I'm going to get some paint to paint in my living room a little bit where I've taken things off the wall. I just like it to be a little bit better. I don't know if y'all are like that or not. Hey, Elizabeth Bauer. A little garbage can for my car. I found this. You need to come over, Elizabeth, so you can get your stuff, girl. Hey, Miss Lori, how are you doing? So I'm just doing this with the Waverly Plaster chalk paint. You never heard of Anything Goes, and I thought I'd see if they had a Facebook page. They supposedly have a Facebook page. They are some naughty anything. Really? What a cute idea. How about tomorrow? That's fine. Girl, whenever. You can come over. Saturday I leave, so tomorrow would be good. I don't leave, but I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I'll be flying out of here. It's kind of a bad time to go on vacation, but I want to have a good time. It might be my last time for a while, just because I got to sell my house and all of that good stuff. So yes, Miss Elizabeth, come and see me. I'm going in the morning to get some paint at Farrell Calhoun. I was going to say I can't remember. Farrell Calhoun, but other than that, I'm going to be at home trying to finish up things. I might need to go get me some more boxes, a few more. I've been trying to put paint and stuff in a little bitty, yeah, it's my Nana shirt. But I got some paint on it. And I don't care, because this is one of those from Temu, and it's not my favorite. I don't know, it's just not my favorite. And this one's actually too big. It's really, really big. But I wore it anyway today in case I got it dirty. Hey, Miss Margaret. Yes, I loved my time with Marie. It just wasn't long enough. Even though she hid stuff on me. She didn't mean to. But she was cleaning up after me. She's like my mama. She's like, you didn't put it in the right place. So I was always looking for the tape. But that's okay. Yeah, I have another Nana shirt that's better than this one. But this was my whatever shirt. I got a little bit of pink on it when I was trying to do something behind me. So it'll be all right though. We're good. Now see, it opens up just like this. And then you put your stuff in here. And this one's bigger than the one I have in my car right now. I do have something like this in my car. But I wanted a bigger one. Yeah, I packed some more. Man, I'll have to post what my house looks like right now. It's a hot mess. No, I won't be any closer to Marie because I'll be in Texas and she's in Orlando, Florida. So it's probably about the same if you have to fly over. But coming out of Memphis, it's probably a better flight going from Austin than here in Memphis, because they probably have some direct flights, so it will be better. That's for sure. But it isn't any closer. But I'll be glad when I can fly places and I can go, you know, one way. Well, I say one way, but I meant go directly to some place instead of having to go from place to place. It's just crazy. Okay, so this is the front of it. I want to make it look as good as possible because this is where I'll put my design, or I could put them on the side. I don't know. I'm just going to do some flowers, some generic little flowers on here. I'll probably do the whole thing. I don't know. But it'll be cute. We'll have to dry it. This is a plastic thing, but it should be pretty good to dry with the heat tool. Let me open this up and do this. If you do it too soon, Tanya, it will crack. All right, Houston, Texas is the closest to Jessica. Is it? Houston is about 100 miles from where I will be. So it's a couple of hours. Not too bad. Yeah, I'll probably get to meet Jessica. I think I've already met her. I met her at Texas in Canton. Hey, Miss Jerry, how are you doing? All right, now I want to do a coat over this with Mod Podge, and then I'll paint on there and then put Mod Podge on top of that, just so it won't scrape or whatever. So let me dry this. Let me try to shut this and then dry. You probably will see me north of Houston. Okay, so you won't be too far from me, Miss Jerry. We might get to meet sometime once I get settled and everything. So let me see if we can dry this. Then we'll put the Mod Podge on and then we'll paint it. With whatever we're going to paint. That kind of trying to go off again. Missed where you are moving to. I'm moving to Cuero in South Central Texas. It's kind of away from everything. I'm moving further away from you. You're moving after away from me. Let me see, what was I gonna do? Oh, I missed a spot. Are you in Texas too, Miss Vicky? I can't remember. Alright, so let's see. It's pretty good. It's not completely dry. Been there before for when I worked for an oil and gas company. Well, cool. So you know where I live then, or will live. That's great. It's not too far from there. Oh, I got a whole new bottle. Well, let me see. I don't want to open that if I can keep from it. Let me see. This one's gloss and this one's matte, but I don't want to open this farther away from you. Oh, you're in Michigan. I love this idea, girl, and might have... Yes, copy me. And in your bathroom on the counter, yeah. This is awesome. I've been wanting to do it for a while, and I had a little bitty one, and I'm like, oh no, got to get the big one. But you know, this one with the pods in there is expensive. So I hardly ever buy it, but I did have one in my stash, and I'm like, I'm saving that and, you know, keeping it out, keeping it for me to do this. So let's see, we're going to put some Mod Podge over this, and then we'll paint a little flower scene on here. Definitely do one. I want to see what you do. You'll put a skull or something on there. Something cool. And I just left the green. You can paint the green too, but I just decided, I tried to get the little thing off of this. Dishwasher, tablet, yes. It's the Cascade little pod things. Oh, you do? Well, if you want one, you'll have to buy the whole thing. Oh, you're going to put bling on it. That's a good idea, but I've already put away all my bling. I didn't think about bling. I guess because I don't have any. It used to be back here, but it's not anymore. I have no bling. Well, I have one bling because I took it off of a rabbit. It's a pink bling. I guess I could put that, but I don't think I brought it in here. It's the same one you use? Yeah. There we go. I didn't want to use the other one. I'm slinging junk everywhere. Yeah, I want to see you do one, so you'll have to do one on the live too. I don't care if you do the same thing I do. You know how I am, I share. I just want to get a good coat on here so it doesn't chip off or anything like that. Because this will help protect it. It's just going in the car, so it really doesn't matter. But I did do the slick stick, then do the paint, then do this part. So hopefully it won't chip or anything. I'll get all the credit. That's okay. Just been wanting to do it for a long time. I don't know why I haven't done it till now. Right here before I leave, I think of stuff that I want to do. I'm like, oh my goodness. And I put one little thing out of the box too, so I could do it tomorrow. But it's a really simple little craft. A very, very simple one. Yes, I'm selling my house. Hopefully it'll sell quickly. Let me get the side right here. Then I'm going to try to dry it real quick. Let me make sure I got the front. Okay, I didn't get the front. Yep, selling my house. This would be pretty to put some, you know, Mod Podge some papers from Digital Deco Designs or something on. This would be a cute little idea for that. This needs to really dry before you put this down, because it will. Thank you so much, Michelle. I need all the prayers I can get. I don't want to be paying a mortgage on a house that I'm not even at. So hopefully it sells fast. Oh, you've got to do the Christmas Mystery Challenge tonight. Oh, girl. What you gonna do? You know your items? I would freak out. I haven't ever done a mystery challenge before where I didn't know what it was and then open it on the live. I'm sure I couldn't do that. I think you ought to be able to open it right before you go on. Marie was going to do one too. Hey Jason, how are you doing? No, you have no idea? Oh my gosh. Yeah, what time are you going to be on, Elizabeth? They're asking. I need to know too so I can watch you. I think Marie was going to do it too. I don't know. She's on after you or before you. Okay. I don't know what time. She didn't tell me. But she did say she was going to do it. You may have to catch you on replay. Can't see what you create. Oh, can't wait. Well, that's okay if you have to go. Unless you're talking about Elizabeth. I don't know which one of you you're saying. You have a tray, a bottle, and a canvas. Washing brushes. I is scared. I'd be scared too. I don't know. Yeah, Elizabeth. Okay. A bottle, a tray, and a canvas. And you, I know, Elizabeth. That's so funny. So funny. It wasn't funny, but it is funny too. All right. So let me see here. I got to see if it's dry. Yeah, I'm not so good. I don't think I'd be good with mystery challenges, that's for sure. And I'd be scared too. You have those out for possible surfaces. Yeah. A tray for sure. Canvas, yeah. All right, let's see here. Okay, it's dry. It's just tacky because it's that Mod Podge. Let me get me one of these. I'm almost, can you believe it? I'm almost down to the very bottom of these. And I already put all the extras. See, and I tried to clean it with this, but it didn't work. All right, so let's see. I bet you that this will take about a day to cure. And I say cure because this is real tacky. Are you leaving the lid green? Yes. I'm going to leave it green because I feel like it's flowers with stems, so it matches. But yeah, you could paint it if you want to, but I'm leaving mine green. All right, so let me do some green because I'm going to do the leaves and stuff. Maria's on at 5:15 right before you. 5:15 Central. Okay. That's good. What time is it? 4. Oh, y'all are coming on soon. I better hurry up so y'all can do. All right, so I'm just going to make some flowers. And I'm just going to do a little bit of green right in here, like this. And then I'm just going to do another one down like that. Just like this, okay? Those are just some stems. And I'm just going to make some leaves. We're just going to do a generic thing. We're not going to do anything big deal. And I'm just going to put some leaves on the flowers here. Nothing fabulous. I think this will need 24 hours to dry. So make sure, I'm going to have to put them all the way to the bottom so I can do some grass. Since I kind of made messes anyway. I'm only going to do just the front because I don't want to take up their time either. So see, here's the bottom, but I'll go all the way around it. It is a Cascade box that has those little bubble things. Detergent bubble things. I'm in Tennessee right now. I haven't left yet. Thank you, Miss Virginia. I'm not back in Tennessee. I'm just still here. I haven't gone on my trip yet, and then I'm going to Texas after I get back. I have to work a week, which I'm not going to want to do, but I'm going to do it because I have to give my 2 weeks, my full 2 weeks notice, and try to teach the girl everything I know that's new, and her name is Akia. So here's some with the flowers. And like I said, I'm going to go all the way around it, just not on the live. We're just going to do the front here. So y'all can go see Elizabeth and Marie. I'm just doing every other one on one side or the other to make it look cute. See there? So everybody has one of these containers, or you know somebody that has one, just say, can I have that? I did try to take the Cascade thing off of it, but I wasn't able to get it off. It's on there pretty good. So I just painted over it. All right. So now I've got 4 little leaves there, and I'm going to do some flowers on top of it, and I may just do some long pieces here too. I'm just going to do a few in between. That I'm just making some little designs without leaves on them. See there? In between. Hey, Miss Connie. How are you doing? I paint fast? Oh, no. All right. So there, I kind of made it even. That looks a little better with the little one. All right, so now I'm going to get some different colors. Let me dry that real quick. And we'll make some little flowers at the top. I'm just going to do different ones, kind of like it's wildflowers or something. Thank you, Michelle. Because it is kind of tacky on there. That Mod Podge kind of does that, and it's the shiny kind. It's okay, Miss Vicky. Thank you for coming back. All right, so I thought blue would be pretty. I got 2 different color blues here, and we can really do more than blue. We could do pink or yellow. I've got some yellow that Marie said was too yellow or something. But we'll put a little bit of yellow in there. They're just supposed to be little wildflowers. And this is a darker blue. So we're just gonna make some generics. So let me see here. Now I'm doing like a long stem, and then I'm gonna take this and just do some little dots. Just like this. Y'all, my little grandson, Nathan, is trying to jump and do stuff. I can't wait to get there so I can see everything that he does. I'm missing it all, but I won't for much longer, so that's okay. All right, let me do one more on the bottom. It just looks like it needs one. All right, so there's one. Okay. He's so cute. He is so cute. He is so funny. He loves to jump and smile and everything, and he wasn't smiling, you know, when I got there. All right, so let me see. We're gonna take this and we're just gonna make some long, all you're doing is taking your brush and we're just doing it like this, okay? But I'm gonna make a circle. Do you have any idea where you're going to work? Nope. No, nope. I don't want to work. No, I'm probably going to work. I just don't know where. But probably not nursing. I don't want to be a nurse. I may try, but I don't know. I just really don't want to be a nurse. I've had a belly full of nursing and everything that goes with it. I am burnt out. All right, so let me get yellow for the middle. I am moving, Miss Rita. You got your package today? Well, that was quick. Didn't I just send it yesterday? Wow. All right. So see the little blue flower? Now I'm going to do a few more down the stem. Yes, it has changed, Miss Michelle. It has changed a lot. Now let me get some green here. I'm going to like put a little stem right there. Boo-boo. I'm still going to be on here, but I'm just going to be in Texas. Yes. Yes, Miss Rita. Gonna move, but I will be on here. All right, so what I did was I took the, see how there's a few little things right in there? I'm gonna put a few flowers on there. So I'm taking the blue and I'm gonna do it like this. I'm just letting the brush do all the work. I'm not even doing any big deal. Yeah, Janelle sends me pictures of the baby and I just love it. Every day he's doing something new. Thank you, Miss Connie. Thanks, Miss Rita. Now these are going to be smaller because they're down low. But just take your brush and just lay it on there. See, like that, but I haven't put the yellow in the middle. Hey, Miss Kim, how are you doing? All right, so I'm gonna do another blue, darker blue. Put it over here. Let's see. I'll put it on this one maybe. Let me see. Do it like this. I'm going to do another one just like it. And I'm just going to do this. Just little dots. This one will be a little bit different, sort of the same. Like this. Okay. See, they're a little bit different. Basically the same. I know it. The heat's really bad. Thank you, Bev. It is. My daughter-in-law is very sweet. She sends me pictures every day, so I'm not missing anything. I have a really good daughter-in-law. She's very, very sweet. Because if it were up to my son, I probably wouldn't get any. All right, so let me see here. Let me do purple. I think purple will be good on a couple. Woo, I got too much, but that's okay. All right, so let me see here. Let me try to do, something different. I am blessed to have a good daughter-in-law. You're right. Because some people don't. All right. So I'm going to do this over here. Let's see. And I'll show y'all. These are just generic flowers. Not anything special. Okay. Thank you. You like it, Elizabeth? Thank you. Hey, Melissa, how are you doing? All right, so I'm going to still just do something a little bit smaller in the same area. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. So I got 15 minutes before she comes on. Now I'm just doing smaller ones of the same flower, so I'll have some on there. And I'll just leave this one the way it is. Let me put purple over here so it'll be, let me see, what else is there? It's hard for me to think of the flowers, you know? So that's a different one. And then I'm just going to do some little ones right here. You can put Tanya's car or whatever you want on there. Thank you for sprinkling. Red or orange. Yeah, I should do that. Let me get the green on here. I gotta put a little stem right there and right here and right here. There. Yeah, we can do red. I've got red right there. I'll put red on something. Oh, a sunflower and a daisy. Oh. Let me, orange. Yeah. I'm going to do an orange, bigger flower. Kind of like a sunflower, but it's not going to be yellow. It'll be orange, just so it'll have some different color. on here. Let me see if I can do it good enough. I stuck my finger in the purple before it's dry. Okay. All right, I need a little brown. A little bit of brown, a little bit of brown. See if I can get the booger out of it. It's not turning out too good to me. There's the orange. It's okay. One big old flower in there. Something. Let me see. There. That's pretty good, I guess. Let me put a little bit of yellow in it. Maybe that's what I need. There. That's okay. It'll do. Yeah, Marie went home yesterday. How about a daisy? I can do a daisy. Let's see. I'm going to do white, but it just doesn't look good on cream, I don't think. I guess it shows up more than I think. All right, let me put the yellow in the middle, and then we'll call it a day. Now I'm putting a little bit of yellow on the white so you can see it a little bit better. See there? I don't know what y'all are saying. Thank you. Thank you for the hearts. Now you can write your name on here, or you can put such and such car, or you can do whatever. I'm gonna fix another flower here because I've messed that up. There. Let me dry it just a little bit and then I'll show y'all. But I'll go all the way around the bottom. Thank you. Thank you for the hearts. And then I'll do another coat of Mod Podge on top of it. But this will go all the way around. And then you can put your garbage can, you can put a sack in here. And see, a little bit of the paint came off because I didn't wait. Hey, Mr. Manny, how are you? Hola, hola. Hey, Teresa, thank you. So you'll put your garbage bag in here, and then you can put this on top of it, and then you can throw things away, and this is for your car. So I'll put another coat of Mod Podge on it after I go all the way around it while I watch Elizabeth and Marie. So y'all go tune in to them tonight and see what they make with their items in the Mystery Challenge, Christmas Mystery Challenge. Isn't it on Craft Around the Clock? If I'm not mistaken, she may have already gone, Elizabeth. But make sure that you dry this really good. It probably would be good if you dried it overnight and then painted on it and then dried it again overnight, because it is a little tacky. It's starting to get normal now, but it just takes a while after the Mod Podge to dry so it's not tacky. But I'm going to go all the way around it so it'll be pretty on all sides and you'll be able to see it. You can put it down below in between the seats there so you can put your garbage in it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you for being with me tonight. I will come on tomorrow. I don't know what time, so I will do a telegram telling you I did right before I came on tonight. Elizabeth is on after Marie. Marie is at 5:15, which is in about 6 or 8 minutes. And then Elizabeth, I don't know if they have an hour or 45 minutes or whatever. So after Marie will be Elizabeth. Yeah, she was on here, but she probably is going to set up everything. Thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate y'all. Thank you for the thumbs up and the hearts. And Pat Tyner said 6 or 6:15. Okay, so they have an hour to do their 3 items. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see y'all tomorrow before I leave out of town, okay? Y'all take care. Bye, y'all.